My dudes, my guys, let's get it. I am exhausted, bro. Freaking came back from old classic Hondas. Had to work yesterday. I haven't really slept too much since then. We're about to, it's like 9 a.m. We're about to go hit the junkyard. It's like an hour away from here, something like that. So we're about to go hit the junkyard for the M2 project. Grabbing the tools out of the truck because I still haven't unpacked. As you can see, I haven't unpacked anything. I'm really tired. And then I have tomorrow is like kind of a free day. I'll probably end up working on something, and then I go to New York. So yeah, but we got the tools. We're gonna go look for some RSX stuff in the junkyard. We're gonna look for AC lines. Hopefully we can find a manual one so we can get the shift cables from it and stuff like that. So we're gonna do all that stuff now. I'm also bidding on an Element right now on Copart. So if I win that, I guess I'm gonna have to go pick that up tomorrow. I don't have a license or anything, but luckily one of the cool guys I met at Elements on the Dragon, coincidentally enough, has one, and he was like, hey man, I'll bid on it for you. So if we could get that, it'd be pretty cool. I got a couple ideas, so I'll let y'all know when we get to the junkyard. All right, we made it to the junkyard. So this thing's pretty rad. But yeah, we made it here, so we're about to go in. Looking for a bunch of RSX stuff, like I said, so let's see if we can find anything good. So I forgot to record the other one that we found, but here's this one. They cut everything out of it. They cut the AC lines. So this is not gonna have what we need, but we know there's one up front that does have what we need. So now there's, I think, 2 more, right? 2 more?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 2 more, so we're gonna go check those out now. This place is massive. They have like literally everything here. So the only thing I don't like about this place is they keep all the good stuff behind the gate, and you gotta like ask permission and like fight them to get over there. Oh, we just came back from Classic Hondas on the Dragon. First gen CRX. I have somewhere in this row, there's an RSX. But these rows go like forever. This one still looks like it has the AC lines in it, and they still look like they're intact, so that's cool. But it's an automatic. It's pretty nifty and Insight. I don't really ever see those in the junkyard, so that's kind of cool. Well, the other RSX is also an automatic, so that's less than ideal. This one also has the AC lines out of it. The last one we saw had the AC lines out of it, but this one looks like they like super bent it up. Same thing here. So I guess we'll go pull the AC lines out of the other one. What are people taking off these things? So we got the AC lines, the coolant reservoir, and the spark plug cover for the valve cover, because hers doesn't have one on it. So I think that's all we're gonna end up finding for those things. It sucks that they don't have a manual RSX here. I guess we're gonna have to order lines for that or something. But now we're gonna go search for Elements. There's 2 Elements here, so of course I'm gonna go look at both of them. I feel like I've probably already seen them though, so see how that goes. My boy had this V6 Trans Am tuned up. At least I think it's a V6. I don't know shit about these, but there's only see 3 spark plug wires, but got the MSD shit on board. Come on, man. What a unit. So we found the one Element. It looks like somebody did all the work and pulled the motor out of it, but Doesn't look like there's much left. I was gonna pull the VTEC solenoid off if it was still in there, but I guess it's not. So, all right then. See if there's any cool options in here. Yes, that is a hard negative. No floor mats. No nothing that I'm always looking for. Oh God. Yeah. All right, this one's got nothing. Yeah, a whole lot of nothing on this one. So I guess there's another one that's supposed to be on like the next row over. So I guess we're gonna go check that one out. I've already seen this one before, so I'm 90% sure there's nothing on it. You can see where it had a roof rack on it right there, but they broke off and whatever they hit. But yeah, this one's been gone through. There's nothing left on this one. That's the only bad thing about this place is like people come out here and like pick all the time. So like if it sits out here for any period of time, it just literally has nothing on it. But I guess it's good for the junkyard. It means that they're making a lot of money. Yeah, this one, even the VTEC solenoid's missing on this one too, so. Well, that's that. I guess we're gonna go see what we can find now. So we're in the truck section, looking for some seats for my truck. But for all you that say these aren't trucks, why is it in the truck section? Answer me that. Why is it in the truck section, huh? So we stumbled upon another RSX, but it's an automatic. So we just got those three things. It was like 30 bucks, but I think we're gonna try to go to another junkyard that's more local to me, because this one is like extremely picked through unless you can find stuff that's in like the private lot. In the private lot, they're like super dickheaded about going in there. So I think we're gonna go try the other place. The only bad part of the other place is they don't inventory anything and nothing's in order. So you just go walk around until you find something you like. So I'll check in with y'all whenever we get there. So this is the super low-key junkyard I go to. Like I said, nothing's in order, so you kind of just have to walk around and you find what you find. So I guess we're gonna start just randomly walking around and see what we can get. I bet someone somewhere is probably really looking for this old inline 6 or parts for it, and here it is. It's gonna get crushed though, probably. Sheesh, bro. Got the C4 and the C3. That's pretty wild. Who would do such a thing? I don't even like these cars, but sheesh, there's two of them. Not one, but two. That's wild. And this one's pretty rotted out, but I feel like between these two, you could probably make one decent one. So we found an RSX. I knew this place would have one. What the fuck? How does this happen? But we can't get under there anyway, but it's automatic anyway, so it does us no good. So things got crazy and it never ended up finishing up the rest of that video when we were at the junkyard, but we didn't get anything at that junkyard. And then I got a call for another thing that I'll be showing you guys at some point. So I had to go pick that up like last minute, but I'm back home. I went on another trip or whatever, and I'm back home now. So I threw, before I went out on the trip, I threw the AC lines in, and the RSX AC lines definitely look significantly better than the EP3 ones. I just gotta do something with this bit here. I'm not happy with that, but everything else fits pretty good. All I gotta do now is just throw the spark plug cover on, and I don't think that the coolant overflow bottle is gonna fit in here how I was hoping it would. So I mean, it is what it is. I'm gonna try a couple other things and see if I can get to fit a little bit better, but yeah, so I'll update you guys. I'm gonna put this thing on now, and then I'm gonna maybe try to mess with the coolant overflow a little bit more, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so you got that on. Just gotta clean it up clearly. So what I was hoping with this is I was hoping that you can see that the filler parts here, I was hoping it was gonna fit right here, but the issue is that it's like the way it's shaped is just, it's not gonna go up behind the fans. The fans are right there. There you go. The fans right there, and then you got the hose and stuff like that. So I don't think it's gonna fit. I do have another idea. I think I might try to mount it this way, like this. I think I might try to put it like in here somewhere, but I can't do that until I build this battery tray. So we gotta get the battery tray first, So I guess for now we're kind of at a standstill. I'm gonna go out tomorrow and hopefully my buddy, I can get shift cables off of him, and so I'm gonna do that. So sorry this video was kind of boring. The next one, I guess we're probably gonna try to tackle a battery tray, shift cables, and an exhaust would be the game plan. Oh, also I still have to do rib nuts in this to make that actually mounted. So I guess next video we'll try to tackle all that stuff. I gotta get this car out of here. It's kind of in the way now, so I got customers wanting to drop cars off and stuff like that. So yeah, that's it for this video, I guess. Sorry it's kind of boring, but it's how it goes sometimes. It's building cars. So thanks for watching, appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all later.